What's going on, man? It's your boy, Majai Vernon Jai K, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Man, trying to give y'all the news, the blues, and the clues, man, to get your money right, man. And one thing I want to say to my people out there, man, whether we grew up, whether I know you, whether I don't know you, and you just looking for a little motivation, man, to keep going through these trying times, man. Look, it's always a hustle out there, man. And when I say hustle, man, I'm not meaning ways to get over on nobody. I'm meaning legitimate hustles that you'll be proud of at the end of the day because you actually have exchanged, value for a monetary encounter, or whatever. So just a quick example, man, for somebody who say um, they don't have a lot of upfront capital to actually get started in different businesses. Let's just say it's $100 because I'm putting my son to the test as we speak with $100, and this is something very simple as far as just either go garage sale, shopping, turning around, posting those things on Craigslist, on OfferUp, on Mercari, these different websites, even on Marketplace. You buy 10 items at $10 a piece, and you ended up, and some of them you sell for $2 profit, some of them you sell for $10 profit, some you sell for $20 profit. Really doesn't matter. But what you're looking to do, man, is gain some traction. Gain some traction in anything that you're trying to do to feel positive. And one thing about it uh, is the doubles, getting to the doubling. Like if the end goal is, look, I want to make $1,000, I want to add an extra $1,000 a month at the end of to my income in 1 month. Well, okay, how many opportunities do I need to flip in order to make that happen? And it's possible, man. It's very much possible if you take 10 items and gradually increase that in a week's time to uh it goes from 100 to 150. Now you got an opportunity to buy 15 items, and by the time you make it to that second or third week, you're up 400 or 500 bucks, and then after that it's a bigger double. So you and the profit margin should be getting bigger. You take the time, you invest, you do some research, you spend some time. I mean, everybody's on social media. Take a little bit of that time, man, to actually to familiarize yourself with different trending items and things that you can sell. Man, it's so many. That's just a small step that a person can do. Take, if you only had $100, man, that was a prime example. Taking $100 can actually generate you a $900 profit within a 1 month time frame if you're consistent with the actions. Like, everything's not going to yield a quick enormous profit. Take the small steps, take the small wins to get to the bigger win. You gotta, and I know for myself, I come from a place where we used to, just the life we live, man. Like, it was a hustle thing, so you always looking at, I want to double my money, I want to double my money. Now that may be true, but when you come to the financial world, people are okay with the 7 to 10% return on their money. So for that $100, a person is looking to make anywhere, $10 to $15 per hundred. So quit thinking it's a bigger flip that you have to get. Take the small wins to get to the bigger target. If I got 5 partners who can come and put up $100 a week for a month, we talking at the end of the month, we got $2,000. Now we take that $2,000 and we go put us down on the trailer. Now, if I know that my partner is in the business of doing real estate, we take this $2,000, invest it into getting us a dump truck. Each clean out or each demo job equates to roughly, on a minimum, $1,000 to $2,000. So if my partner is doing real estate and he have an opportunity to bring me 3 to 4 jobs a month, now not only have we all received our money back from the initial $400 or $500 we put up for that month, but now we're in the money. We're beginning to make money. Man, quit thinking small. Quit thinking that there's no opportunities out here. You just gotta want it. You gotta seek it, and you have to get out of the normal day-to-day activities to see that there's plenty of hustles if you work your grind. If you just get out here and hustle, man, you know. Uh, so just something, man, to keep you motivated, to keep the inspiration going. It's just the news, the blues, and the clues, man. With that is giving you opportunity, giving you a different mindset to be like, damn, quit thinking of the big flip and start with the small flip. That way you can actually get to the bigger goal that you want to achieve. The blues is, hey, it ain't easy. It's gonna require effort. It's no microwave. It's no microwave results to success. Any overnight success took 20, 30 years, man. Get off of I'm going to just jump out here and be ultimately successful. I've been doing real estate for a little over 12 years, and I haven't even achieved the level of success that I want. I can't take a day off or anything like that, and I flipped hundreds of houses. So, it's always another opportunity. It's going to be a step or two back to move up a step, so be consistent, man. Stop thinking of the big gains, and be consistent with the smaller gains. Therefore, you appreciate it a little bit better. And at the end of the day, you can monitor the progress. So and hopefully every day, man, I'm gonna be dropping these little jewels like this, man, to where you just feel motivated and inspired that, let me think outside the box, man. There's plenty of hustles. There's plenty of hustles. I'm going to give you a hustle for every day of the week, to get your money right and ultimately change the narrative in the household, in the family, and our whole ecosystem of where we come from, man. It's your boy, I'm a job runner, J.K., Mr. Money Man, a.k.a. I do real estate, a.k.a. I'm an entrepreneur. One thing I say is, we're not talking about the why no more, man. We're talking about what's the reason. What's the reason we doing what we doing?